If you're seeing Premiere Pro error 107, don't worry. This usually points to corrupted or incomplete installation files inside Adobe Creative Cloud, and in most cases, it can be fixed without reinstalling your entire computer. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest ways to solve the problem step by step, so you can get Premiere Pro installed and working again as quickly as possible. And if this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and Adobe troubleshooting guides. First, let's understand what error 107 actually means. This error commonly shows up when a Creative Cloud download gets interrupted, when files don't download properly, or when something on your system blocks the installation. That could be a weak internet connection, a firewall, an antivirus program, or even a cache issue inside Adobe Creative Cloud. The good news is that the fix is usually straightforward. The first thing you should do is retry the installation. Open the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop app and go back to the Premiere Pro install process. Sometimes the original download was damaged or incomplete, and simply trying again forces Creative Cloud to re-download the missing or corrupted files. If the error happened once, there's a strong chance a second attempt will clear it. When you retry, make sure you're using the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop application itself. This is important because Adobe recommends installing apps through the Creative Cloud desktop app rather than using direct downloads from other sources. The desktop app handles licensing, file validation, and installation more reliably, which helps reduce the chance of file corruption during the setup process. If you were trying another method, switch back to Creative Cloud and install Premiere Pro from there. Next, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can interrupt the download and trigger error 107. If possible, use a stable wired or reliable Wi-Fi connection and avoid switching networks while the app is downloading. If the connection drops, even for a short time, it can leave you with incomplete installation files. You should also check your firewall and antivirus settings. Sometimes third-party security software blocks Adobe Creative Cloud from downloading all the files it needs. If you suspect that's happening, temporarily disable your third-party antivirus or firewall just long enough to test the installation again. If Premiere Pro installs successfully after that, you found the cause. Just remember to turn your protection back on afterward. Now let's clear the cache because cached files can also interfere with Adobe downloads. Open the Creative Cloud desktop app and look for its preferences or settings menu. From there, clear the Creative Cloud cache if the option is available. This removes temporary files that may have become corrupted and helps the app start fresh. If you were downloading anything through a browser instead of the desktop app, clear your browser cookies and cached data as well. Old or broken cookies can sometimes cause download issues on Adobe's website. After clearing the cache, restart the Creative Cloud app and try the Premiere Pro installation again. In many cases, this combination of steps, retrying the install, using the desktop app, checking your connection, and clearing cache, is enough to fix error 107. If the problem still appears, it's a good idea to restart your computer and try once more. A reboot can clear temporary system conflicts and help Adobe services reconnect properly. Also make sure your disk has enough free space because incomplete installations can sometimes happen when your storage is too full. To recap, Premiere Pro error 107 is usually caused by a corrupted or interrupted Creative Cloud download, and the best fixes are to retry the installation, use the Creative Cloud desktop app, check your internet and firewall settings, and clear the app cache and browser cookies. These steps solve the issue for many users and are the safest place to start before moving on to more advanced troubleshooting. If this video helped you fix Premiere Pro error 107, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Adobe tutorials, installation fixes, and software troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.